Dear student, welcome to Kana Kingdom Smart Education online classes. Our today's topic is fraction and decimal numbers. First of all, we take topic fraction. What is fraction? If any number written as 1 by 2 in divide format, any number written in divide format is called fraction. The upper part of this number is called numerator and lower part is called denominator. Numerator and denominator. If any number shows in numerator and denominator format, then this called a fraction. Any integer number can written any integer number can written in fraction number. Integer number, yeah, or we can say that whole number, integer number, integer number is 1, 2, 3, 14, 21, etc., etc. And now we write down fraction number of these number. 1 by 1, 2 by 1, 3 by 1, 14 by 1, 21 by 1. Now we can say that if we convert a integer number into fraction number, we can divide by 1. By dividing by 1, this is in format of fraction number, numerator and denominator, numerator part, denominator part, numerator part, denominator part. So we can write any integer number in fraction number. There are three types. There are three types of fraction number. First type, proper fraction. First type is proper fraction number. Second type is improper fraction number. Third type is mixed fraction number. There are three types of fraction number. First, proper fraction number. Taking definition, if numerator part is less than denominator part, numerator part is less than denominator part. For example, 1/2, 3/7, 14/70, 15, 31, etc., etc. In these number we seeing this numerator part 1, denominator part 2, numerator part is less. 3 and 7 numerator part is less. 14, 17 numerator part is less. 15, 31 numerator part is less. If numerator part is less than denominator part, this is called proper fraction. Second, improper fraction. If numerator part is greater than denominator part, if numerator part is greater than denominator part, this is called improper fraction. For example, 2/1, 7/3, 17/14, 31/15. In this example, numerator part is greater than denominator part. 7 is greater than 3, numerator is greater. 17, 14, 17 is greater. 31, 15, 31 is greater number. So when numerator part is greater than denominator part, it is called improper fraction. Then mixed fraction number. We can write improper fraction number into an integer number and proper fraction number. We can write improper fraction number into an integer and proper fraction number. For example, 7/3. We can divide 3 into 7. Let's take 3, 7. 2 times 6, remaining is 1. In next step, we can divide 1. 1 is less than 3, so we stop dividing this number. So 7/3 is equal to 2 by 3, dividing by 3 into 7, 2 times and remaining is 1, then 1/3. For example, 17/14. 14 dividing 17, 1 time 14, remaining is 3. 3 is less than to 14, so stop dividing. So we can write 17 by 14 is equal to 1 time divide, remaining is 3 dividing by 14. So this is mixed fraction number. An integer with proper fraction number, integer part and proper fraction part. So dear student, these are three type of fraction number. You can take a screenshot. We will take next topic. So student, our new topic is addition and subtraction, addition and subtraction of fraction number. Addition and subtraction of fraction number. For example, I am taking 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. These are two fraction number with addition. For finding the solution, we can make denominator part equal to each other. The both denominator will be equal, then addition can possible. So for equaling, we can multiply these number each other. Multiply by 3 this number, multiply by 2 this number, denominator part will be 6. So 1 by 2 multiply by 3, numerator and denominator both are multiplying by 3, 3 to 3 cancel, remaining is 1. We can multiply 1 by 2 into 1 will be 1 by 2. So these are equivalent number, plus 1 by 3 multiply by 2. This is 3 by 6. 1 into 3, 3, 2 into 3, 6, 1 into 2, 2, 3 into 2, 6. Then the both number is same, we taking 6, numerator part 3 plus 2, answer is 5 by 6. So for example, we take 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. These are addition of fraction number. In fraction number, we can add number by equal denominator part. If we can done equal denominator, then addition can possible. So we divide in denominator part, we saw that there are 2 and 3. We can multiply numerator and denominator by 3 in first digit, and second digit we multiply numerator and denominator by 2. So 1 by 2 into 3 upon 3, 1 by 3 into 2 upon 2. Numerator part is 3, denominator is 6. 2 and 6. So when denominator are equal, these are 6. So 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 by 6. This is answer. For subtraction of this number, taking example 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. As we doing in addition, also in subtraction, we will making same denominator part. So 1 by 2 multiply, 1 by 2 will be multiply by 3, 3 and 3 minus 1 by 3, 1 by 3 will be multiply by 2, 2 and 2. 1 into 3, 3, 2 into 3, 6, minus 1 into 2, 2, 3 into 2, 6. The denominator part will equal, then it is 6, remaining 3 minus 2, 1 by 6, which is our answer. So this is the example of addition and subtraction of fraction number. Our next topic is comparison of fraction number. Comparison of fraction number. In comparison, we taking two type of order. Ordering. There are two type of ordering. Ascending and descending. Ascending and descending. In comparison, we will make less than or greater than sign. In ascending order, we will take number in lowest to highest. In descending order, we will take highest number first, then lowest will be last number. These are ascending and descending order. How to comparison? For example, compare 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. There are two number, two fraction number. We have to compare these number, which is less and which is greater number. In comparison, we will make denominator part equal. In denominator part, the number will be equal. Then 1 by 2 multiply by 3 and 3, which is 3 by 6 equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 making denominator part equal, 1 by 2 multiply by 3, then answer is 3 by 6. Taking 1 by 3, 1 by 3 multiply, 1 by 3 multiply by 2, this is 2, 2 upon 6. There are two number, 3 by 6 and 2 by 6. Which is greater? Greater is 3 by 6. 3 by 6 is greater than 2 by 6. 3 by 6. Which number 3 by 6? 1 by 2. Then 1 by 2 is greater than 2 by 6. Which number is 2 by 6? 1 by 3. 1 by 3. So this is our answer. 1 by 2 is greater than 1 by 3. For comparison of fraction number, we take example, compare 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. When we comparing fraction number, we will make denominator part equal. So by multiply method, 1 by 2 will be multiplied by 3 and 1 by 3 will multiply by 2. Then 1 by 2 multiply by 3, this number is 3 by 6. 1 by 3 multiply by 2, the number is 2 by 6. Then 3 by 6 and 2 by 6. 3 by 6 is greater, so we use the symbol of greater. This is symbol of greater. this is the symbol of greater. 3 by 6 is greater than 2 by 6. 3 by 6, which number is 3 by 6? 1 by 2. Then we replace 3 by 6 by 1 by 2. 2 by 6, which number is 2 by 6? 1 by 3. Then we can say that 1 by 2 is greater than 1 by 3. This is question on comparison of fraction number. So student, we will take more question from our exercise. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to another questions. So student, in exercise 2.1 we take first question on addition and subtraction of fraction number. The first part of this question is 2 minus 3 upon 5. This is integer number and this is fraction number. We can add or subtract in integer number or in fraction number. So we can change this integer number into fraction number. So we write down 2 by 1 minus 3 by 5. For addition and subtraction, we will make the denominator part will be equal. So first number will be multiplied by 5, second number will multiply by 1. 2 by 1 multiply by 5, 5 and 5 minus 3 by 5, 3 by 5 multiply by 1, 1 and 1. Then 10 upon 5 minus 3 upon 5. Then denominator is equal. Then this is 5, 10 minus 3, 7 by 5. So 2 minus 3 by 5, the answer is 7 by 5. This is our first question. Taking third question. 3 by 5 plus 2 by 7. There are two fraction number. We saw that the denominator part will be equal. So first number will multiply by 7, second number will multiply by 5. So first number 3 by 5 multiply by 7, then 7 and 7 plus second number is 2 by 7 will multiply by 5. This is 5 and 5. So 3 into 7 21, 5 into 7 35, 2 into 5 10, 7 into 5 35. Denominator part is equal. This is 35, numerator 21 plus 10. This is 31 upon 35. Question is 3 by 5 plus 2 by 7. Answer is 31 upon 35. We are taking next example, next question, question number 5. 7 by 10 plus 2 by 5 plus 3 by 2. 10. The factor of 10 is equal to 2 and 5. 2 and 5. So we will make this denominator part into 10. 10 is also 10 is 10. 5 can change into 10 by multiply 2, and 2 will change in 10 by multiply 5. So we will make these number by multiplication method to equivalent number. First will be remain these number attending 2 by 5 will multiply by 2, this is multiply by 2, and 3 by 2 will be multiply by 5, will be multiply by 5. So first number is 7 by 10 plus 2 into 2 4, 5 into 2 10, 3 into 5 15, 2 into 5 10. Denominator is equal, so we can add these number. Denominator is 10, numerator is 7 plus 4 plus 15. 7 plus 4 11, 11 plus 15 upon 10, 11 and 15, 26 upon 10. 7 by 10 plus 2 by 5 plus 3 by 2, answer is 26 by 10. This number also can convert into a smaller number. This type of question we will multiply by 2. So we can divide by 2 in numerator and denominator part. In this number we will also divide by 2 in numerator and denominator part. When we will divide 26, answer is 13. When divide 10 by 2, is answer is 5. So 26 by 10 is equivalent to 13 by 5. This is our next question. I am taking a next question, question number 7. 8 1 by 2 minus 3 5 by 8. This is mixed fraction number. We will change into a normal fraction number. Changing rule. There is first number is 8 1 by 2. For changing, 2 will multiply, 2 will be multiplied by 8, then add to numerator. 2 will multiply by 8, then add with numerator. Denominator is 2. 2 will multiply by 8, then add to numerator, and denominator part is 2. 2 into 8 16 plus 1 upon 2, this number is 17 upon 2. So 8 1 by 2 is 17 upon 2. Second number 3 5 by 8. 8 into 3, 8 into 3, then add 5, denominator part is 8. 8 into 3 24 plus 5 divided by 8, this number is 29 upon 8. These are two numbers, two equivalent number. So our question is 8 1 by 2 minus 3 5 by 8. 8 1 by 2, answer is 17 upon 2. 3 5 by 8, answer is 29 by 8. We will make these number equivalent by multiply first number by 4. 2 into 4 is 8. So we will multiply first number by 4. So first number will be multiplied by 4, second remain constant. 17 into 4 68. 2 into 4 8 minus 29 by 8. Denominator part is equal, so this denominator is 8. when we minus 29 from 68, this is 39. This is the answer, but this is not the final answer, because question is mixed fraction number. The answer will be in the mixed fraction number. For converting this number 8, 39, 8 for the 32, remaining 7, 7 is less than 8, so we stop this. We can divide 39 by 8 4 times, remaining is 7, we will divide by 8. This is our final answer. You can take a screenshot. We will move to our next question. So student, our next question is question number 2. Arrange the following in descending order. There are 3 numbers. In descending order, we will make highest number on first place, lowest on last place. Highest and lowest we will find using comparison. In comparison, we will make denominator part equal. Equaling the denominator part, 2 by 9 will multiply by these two numbers 3 and 21. So our first number is 2 by 9. 2 by 9 will be multiplied by 3 and will be multiplied by 21. There is 6 into 21, 27 into 21, 126, and this number is 567. Another 2 by 3. The 2 by 3 will multiply by 9 and 21. 2 by 3 will be multiplied by 9 and multiply by 21. 2 into 9, 18. 3 into 9, 27. 27, 21, answer is 567, and this multiplication will be done in your rough copy. The answer is 378. Third number is 8 by 21. 8 by 21. Third number will be multiplied by 9 and 3. Third number will multiply by 9 and will multiply by 3. 8 into 9, 72. 21 into 27, 216. Denominator is 567. There are over 3 numbers. Arranging in descending order. Arranging in descending order. In descending order, highest number will be first place. Highest number is 378 upon 567. Then lower number is 216 upon 567, and lowest number is 126 upon 567. These are not original number. What is the original number of 378? 378 original number is 2 by 3. Then 216 original number is 8 by 21, and then 126 is 2 by 9. This is our descending order. In descending order, we making by comparison highest on first place, lowest on last place. The digits are moving to highest to lowest. So this is our second question. We will take another questions in our next video. Thank you for watching this video.